how to add a video trailer on your YouTube channel homepage. Okay, so you want to try out the YouTube Studio app, or you can continue to the studio on the website version if you're using a mobile phone, and if you're on a PC, then yeah, definitely it will be that. Okay. Yes, so you want to make sure that your internet is good, is well connected. Yeah. Okay, so I'm opening on the website version. Yes, as I've showed you already before in so many videos, you just turn it on and off. Okay, in the up right corner there. So then you go to channel subtitle. Okay, not channel subtitles. So I'm just going to go back to there's dashboard, there's content, there's analytics, there's comments, there's subtitles, there's copyright, there's earn, there's customization. So you want to go to customization, channel customization. That's where you click. Okay. Then there's this music and stuff like that. But this one is about you'll be going in your channel customization. Then you see the layout, there's branding, there's basic info, and video spotlight. Like add a video to the top of your channel homepage. Channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. Like if you want a particular video to show for people who haven't subscribed, you choose that particular video. And yeah, for illustration purposes, I just chose how to make outside, for free. And yeah, you can always keep changing that. It's not like limited or you have to go by that forever. No, you just keep changing that. Okay, so then you can add a featured video for returning subscribers. Like if someone has already subscribed on your channel, then you can put a video that will be will be featuring, okay, for the already subscribers that are coming back to your channel. And then you just click on those three dots where you see there's change video, remove video. So you can decide to remove video or just click on change video, and that's what you want to do. Click on change video if you had already put one. So we want to go to your specific videos, to your videos, and choose a specific video. Or if it's already in your previous downloads, maybe upload, so it's so deep down there, you can just search. For example, here I was just searching for how to maybe a YouTube Premium and stuff like that. There's a video, yes, that one, how to upload, how to do YouTube Premium. Most people ask me that, so I make sure I just put it there. And if someone is coming in and they're subscribed already, if they're not yet subscribed, they can, that will be the welcoming video for them. Or if they get angry with the ads on YouTube, then you can do YouTube Premium. Okay, so again, you do change video, remove video for featured, for people who have already subscribed. Again, you do the same process. You search a particular video, or if it's among the current uploads, then you can just click on it. Okay, so I'm just going to use this one maybe for Facebook, or I may search Facebook, how to create Facebook page, Facebook account. Okay, Facebook, and that's it. So you choose one. You can always search, okay, if you want to, if you have a particular video on your channel. So it's just like simple like that. Then there's this featured section. You can add another section, choose a specific video. Okay, I was just trying to switch them up. I wanted the one that I'd put for current subscribers to be the one for the new subscribers, and vice versa. And if you're done, then you just click on publish, and that's it practically. Like, it's so simple. Go to your studio homepage, then customization, then channel layout. Okay, so if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and like this video, and turn on that bell notification. Have you subscribed by the way? If you haven't, just subscribe, then yeah, we we shall keep in touch, and we shall, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. What other tutorial would you suggest, or send me a message on Telegram. I'll be glad to answer, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.